Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So I have brought another very informative video for all the students and teachers and parents, because there are so many questions going on in the minds of all the people related to schools reopening, because we know that now some educational activities have been restarted by the government. So now this question is being asked again and again, when will schools reopen in different states. So now let me tell you that this is also a big question, like who will take the final decision when the schools will be reopened, whether it will be taken by the central government or the state governments. So I'm going to answer so many questions asked by various subscribers and viewers. So watch the video till last, because I'm going to provide you authentic and detailed information about different states, what is their take, when are they planning to open their schools and all. So do share this video with others also, because this video is going to provide you answers of many questions. So first of all, let me tell you that when the guidelines for Unlock 4 were released, it was clearly stated that all the schools and colleges will remain closed till 30th of September. But one thing was added there, that from 21st September, the students of 9th to 12th classes can go to their schools if they want so. Right? So here this is actually a permission to the states that if they want, they can start their schools, but in a limited proportion. Means they cannot call all the students, but they can call the students in small groups. So here this is another indication that now the teachers will also have to go to their schools, because if students are coming to meet their teachers, obviously teachers will also be there. So now let me tell you that just yesterday on 2nd of September, one report was published in Navbharat Times, and it stated that now the schools have been reopened in Wuhan. Wuhan, that is the, you can say, ground zero of coronavirus, and their schools have been reopened with so many precautions and all. Apart from that, France, Italy, all the countries have opened their schools. So now when will schools reopen in India? This is a big question. So now here, related to the same thing, let me tell you, there are so many developments that UP government has released academic calendar, in which they have stated that their final exams will be conducted in the month of March or April. Means they may be delayed, but they will be conducted. MP government is also planning to release their academic calendar in 1 or 2 days. And then one more thing I want to add here, that just 2-3 days back, one order has come from the High Court that schools are not allowed to charge any other funds from the parents except tuition fee until the schools reopen. Means as long as the schools are closed, schools cannot charge any other fees except tuition fee from the parents. So this information should also be there with all the students and parents. So now let me tell you, there are certain states like Meghalaya, as I told you in my previous video also, that there the corona cases are very less, so they have been provided permission to open their schools. Now Rajasthan is also planning to open the schools from 21st September, and UP has decided, means UP government has decided that from 21st September their schools will be reopened. They have discussed it with the parents, and but only those schools will be opened which are not in containment zones. So this is a big development. Now Assam is a state which is fully prepared to open their schools. Means they had already released the guidelines for their employees and teachers and everybody, that any time they can be called to their schools, because they were just waiting for the guidelines from the central government, and now the central government guidelines have come. So now the state that is facing big problem is the state of Andhra Pradesh. Yes, in Andhra Pradesh the situation is completely different, because they had already planned to reopen their schools on 5th of September, but now when the order from central government has come that schools cannot be reopened before 21st of September. So now they have decided to reconsider their decision. So here is the answer of the question, that who has the final authority to decide when the schools will be reopened. At one side, central government is saying that states have full liberty to open their schools, but if the states decide to open their schools, they will not be allowed until they take permission from the central government. So now Andhra Pradesh education minister, he has said that now they will have a meeting with the central government and then they will take the decision. So all these are very important informations for all of you. And now my next video will be about board exams of 2021, whether they will be conducted or not, and if they will be conducted, how will they be conducted. So stay tuned for that video also, and subscribe to the channel and like the video if you found it useful. So thank you everybody.